Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can make these thin and crispy chocolate chip cookies. For these cookies, I used brown sugar, white sugar, salt, baking soda, flour, vanilla extract, an egg, butter, and chocolate chips. To the flour, add salt and baking soda, mix it and set it aside. In a different bowl, cream the butter. It is very helpful if the butter is at room temperature. Then add the sugars and mix it. Add the egg and vanilla extract and mix it again. Now combine the flour with the wet ingredients. Mix it until it's just combined. Be careful to not overmix it. Then add the chocolate chips and gently fold them in. Okay, so this is optional, but I like to cover the dough and allow it to rest for an hour. While the oven is preheating, prepare a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. Scoop the dough onto the sheet. I use an ice cream scoop spoon. Make sure that there is enough room in between the cookies because they will spread quite a bit in the oven. Bake the cookies anywhere between 8 to 10 minutes. And there you have your thin and crisp chocolate chip cookies. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.